Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Crosshair X if it's causing your game to lag or if it's lagging by itself. So first up, go ahead and open up Steam. Now go ahead and find Crosshair X and make sure that it's stopped. Okay, click on confirm, wait for it to fully stop. Now go ahead and right click on Crosshair X, click on properties. Now under general, we have here launch options. So just click on drop down. Now go ahead and click on launch in safe mode, which is hardware acceleration disabled. So just click on it, and once done, close this one. Now go ahead and click on launch. Wait for it, and once that's done, go ahead and find the menu or the window and check if it helps. Try to turn it on. Okay. Now another option, if it still won't work or if it's still lagging, you can go ahead over to options right here. And make sure again that hardware acceleration is turned off. Okay, and that's basically it. That's how simple it is to fix this issue. Now, if it's still not working, or if your game is still lagging when you have Crosshair X, well, another way to fix that is by updating your Windows. Okay, if you don't know how to do so, go to your search bar right here, type down Windows Update. Okay, now click on check for updates. Now in here, just got to install all available updates. Okay, wait for the process to finish, and sometimes it may ask you to restart your computer. So go ahead and do restart your computer, and once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, if you're familiar with your mouse and keyboard's software, well, just go ahead over to the polling rate section. Okay, and just make sure that you lower your polling rate, and that way you can go ahead and free up CPU resources. Also, while using Crosshair X right here, make sure that you don't have that many apps running in the background. Okay, you can close any other apps right here, like Discord, right-click on quit, and any other programs. Now, another option, you have the NVIDIA Instant Replay and Highlights. Okay, you would want to turn that off. Also, for AMD users, try disabling fluid motion frames and anti-lag in your AMD Adrenalin. So for example, I have here my NVIDIA control panel, also the NVIDIA app. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and leave NVIDIA control panel for now. NVIDIA app right here, right click NVIDIA app. Okay, so what we'll do is just go to find settings and just disable NVIDIA overlay. Also game filters in photo mode. Okay, disable both, and once that's done, check if it helps. If that still will work, go ahead over to your NVIDIA control panel. Find global settings, and then find VSync or G-Sync. Okay, if you have VSync or V-Sync in your monitor, make sure that it's disabled as well. We have here vertical sync, make sure that it's turned off. All right, that's basically it. Once you've applied those settings, go and restart your computer and enjoy gaming. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.